it! Schwoz, you need to drive Jasper and me to Beta Maximus.
For why?
Forward to help Ray and Henry.
No.
No? What do you mean, no?
Last week I asked Ray for a raise. You know what he said to me?
What?
He said, why don't you raise your hand and slap your face with it? And Henry laughed. It was humiliating.
Okay, fine. Then we'll handle this ourselves.
How are we going to handle...
Who is it?
It's Henry's dad.
Oh, man, he's probably looking for Henry.
No worries, I got this. Hey, Mr. Hart.
Jasper, we can't find Henry. Do you know where Henry is?
Please hold.
Yeah, you got that good.
Here, Jasper, hand me your phone.
Okay.
What are you gonna do?
Just stop shush. Tasting 1, 2, 3. This little Henry went to market.
This little Henry stayed home. This little Henry ate a chicken breast, chicken breast. I'm Henry Hart, and I ate a chicken breast. Now, watch this. Hey, Dad, what goes on?
Henry, is that you?
Yeah, of course it's me. I mean, it's not like I'm some dude sitting in a pool of beans.
Well, where have you been? Why didn't you come home last night?
Yeah, sorry. I spent the night at Jasper's house.
Oh, well, why aren't you responding to our phone calls or text messages?
Okay, later.
Ta-da! Now, please, leave me here in my bins.